Now, I didn't blow up for making talking head videos, but I am pretty confident in front of a camera, and I'll tell you why. Who gives a fuck? I'm confident in front of the camera because I do not care what anybody has to say. If you just treat the camera like it's your friend, you can film as much content as you want. Because think about it. When you're with your friends, you just want to talk their ear off. You want to tell them about your day. You want to tell them what's pissing you off, what's stressing you out, etc. So just treat the camera like it's your friend, or just imagine you are talking to one of your friends, and you'll have a phenomenal relationship with the camera. And that's not even why I blew up. We blew up doing family content, and I was mainly behind the camera, orchestrating the entire thing and filming it. But if you want to start making talking head videos, as you can see, I'm doing this all in one take. We're already a minute in, and I haven't stuttered once, knock on wood. Hopefully I won't have to edit anything out. You have to just treat your camera like it is your friend. This camera can potentially, or whatever camera, your phone, I'm using a DJI right now. The phone camera is going to be your friend, the friend that puts you in front of a massive audience. So just talk to it as if you would talk to literally anybody else, a parent, a friend, and just yap and get really good at yapping uninterrupted for a long period of time. And then eventually you'll get good at articulating thoughts while talking, being able to change directions really fast, storytelling, tying your stories back to the point that you're trying to make or whatever it is you're trying to teach. And it's all going to just compound. So for the beginning, I challenge you to just pick up your camera. I have my phone right here. Prop it up, get in front of some good lighting. Right now I'm in front of some good lighting, right? And I have my computer right to the right of the camera. Open it up, go on video. You don't need a fancy camera. You do not need some sort of microphone or anything. I see a bunch of people trying to use microphones when they don't need it. If you're in a quiet place, you're fine. Maybe a microphone if you're in a loud place, but just take it, wipe your lens. So, right, wipe that junk. Put the phone somewhere stable. Put your finger next to the record, and if you need help, just do start, stop. So, here's 3 tricks on how to lose weight before 2026. Stop. The reason I'm qualified to tell you these 3 tricks is because I lost 50 pounds last year before the summer. Stop. Okay, step 1 is going to, right? And just do that until you can eventually just flow with it and until you're eventually fine. But if you do this every day for even 30 minutes or an hour, however long it takes you to get a few videos done, just sit there and do it. It is so simple. So, for example, about an hour and a half ago, I sat in this exact position and I filmed short form content for an hour straight uninterrupted. I told stories, I gave my takes on certain subjects, and I essentially just turned on the camera and started yapping. I put some overlays in, and this practice is what's going to help me really get to that next point. Because think about it, if you keep practicing and getting better at talking to a camera uninterrupted, you are going to be able to make content literally anywhere and everywhere. And once you start to get a bunch of traction, people start to actually listen to you, that obviously comes with consistency, then you'll be able to just make quality videos that people want to watch from anywhere in the world at any time, nighttime, daytime, while you're driving, while you're eating. That is a superpower. Think about that. People will listen to what you have to say, no matter what you are doing and where you are filming the video. If you want to get to that point, I challenge you to pick up the camera for 30 minutes to an hour every day and just start making content. Just start speaking to the camera. Start by telling a story. Start by teaching something you learned in class earlier that week. Literally anything, and just do the repetitions, click the post button, log out of the account and completely forget it's there until you have to come back the next day and continue to post. Do this for 30 days straight. I know a lot of you won't. I know a lot of you are stuck and you have fear of talking to the camera, but the only way to overcome that is not some special trick. It's not by reading some sort of special book. The only answer to overcoming being afraid of talking to the camera is doing it and posting and forgetting. I challenge you to make 1 video a day, every day for the next 30 days. Talk uninterrupted to the camera. Film it. You can edit it, add some tweaks if you want. I don't know, to shorten some clips. You don't even need to. And just post it and log out of the app. Let's say you're using TikTok. Post a video, then log out. Come in the next day. Post a video, log out. And the next day, post 2 videos, log out. This way, you're not attaching yourself to the results either. Because I know it's tricky sometimes to post a video and it get 150 views and 27 likes. But you actually just need to keep doing that and detach from the results completely, because one is just going to stick. I literally made a new page on TikTok and I started just posting random videos of me telling stories and talking. The one I was posting on today. And when I was in Romania back in January, so a few months ago, I was just bored sitting there making videos, and I made a video about something that happened my senior year of high school with a teacher. And I would just like started spamming that page, and I came into the page like a week ago, and the video had 92,000 views. I didn't even know that video did well. If I knew that video did well, I would have doubled down sooner. But my point is, just detach from the results. Don't even look at how many views or likes you're getting. I mean, I would by like the end, like week by week, but I would go and I would just log out after you make your videos, and that's it. Do this and you are going to see some insane results, and don't overcomplicate it too much. Just get it done. Just get it done. And I'm growing a TikTok page right now. It's at only 400 or 500 followers. And I'm going to be doing the same thing and growing that page. If you want to check it out, it's damienapici.mp4. But you guys just need to hold yourself accountable in that sense. It's like any other skill. It's like cooking. It's like playing soccer. The more you do it and the more repetition you put in, the better you're going to get at it. Just like literally anything in life. It's just about adding it into your routine day by day. If you want to be held accountable and you want to see more of a behind the scenes of how I go about creating content day to day, I make content with my family, I make content with my brother, I make content by myself. I have a free community that is linked at the top of the description below that you can join for absolutely free, and you can come hang out in there and see some of the behind the scenes of what making content is like. So I'm hoping to see you in there, and I hope this video helped you in some way, and I hope I can help bridge that gap and break that barrier. All right, peace.